Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. This is Avery from Avon Bond. And first start off, if you're new, please subscribe. And we're going to be having more drone videos, as you can see. And we're going to be doing the unboxing of the Mavic Mini Flymore combo. It took about a couple weeks to get here. And so here we go with the unboxing. But first, intro. Go. Alright, now let's get into this unboxing. So, come on. Alright, so, get the plastic off of the box. Oh, jeez. Now, let's see. So as you guys can see, seems like the first thing is, here's the tag for something, who knows what, just that. Let's take this out. This is the carrying case for the Flymore that you get with the Flymore combo. Put that off to the side. And then down here, what do we have? Don't know. Get to that in a minute. What is this? Well, that's soak gel. This is mini combo accessories. I'm gonna guess power adapter, because the power adapter thing, all that extra batteries. And I'm guessing the 3-way battery charging case that comes with this. And this is more than likely the propeller guards. So let's do the accessories first. Just get those out of the way. So let's open up this first. Yes, so these are just the propeller guards, and these are good if you're learning to fly a drone for the first time like I am. These are really, really good to, like, you can fly in your house and not have to worry about breaking a propeller or anything. And they're pretty sturdy. They're made out of good plastic, I guess. It's a little bendable, but just little clips right here to hook them onto your drone. Let's get these out of the way. Now this is the part where I think it is worth it the most. Let's get you refocused. Where it is the most worth for the bang for your buck. Now I'm gonna try and get this in focus better. Turn on. There we go. So, this is where you really get what you pay for. Like, because each battery is like $80, I think, and you get 3 batteries, maybe 4 altogether, because I don't know if there's one in the drone or not. But batteries are tiny, just little itty bitty little things. But they say that there's about a 30-minute flight time, which everyone knows that's not really how it goes. Okay, then we got 2 more batteries, as you can see, and that's it for that. So let's get the batteries out of the way. Well, I guess this is the power adapter, and is that really it? Could there be a cable in this one? Come on. Nope, that's it. Seems like, well, maybe a cable underneath here. Nope, that's it. But just an adapter to plug it in. It is a, oh, what is this? I really don't know, and I can't think. Output 12 volts, which is, what's the outage? I have no clue. Maybe you can see it. Drop a comment below and tell me if you know what it is. I can't read it. And then I have no clue what this is. Okay, just annuals and boring paperwork, basically. So let's open up what you guys all came for. Guess I should close the knife before I cut myself. So let's open this up. So there is the drone, which is just, wow, just super tiny. Has all this paper on it, I guess, to keep everything in line with each other. I don't like how the paper is on the propellers, because it kind of feels like you could break the propellers easy that way. Let's get this out of the way. This is the cover for, I'm guessing, SD card slot. Oh, and for the battery. I really don't like how this is on there. That's easy to break. And then, of course, the gimbal cover. And then, of course, your how to open it, which is just the front two blades and then these back two. And then open it up, and there's your drone. Same way to close it. Do the back two, and then close the front. And there's that. Now this is what I was talking about earlier. This charging bank hub thing. This is amazing. Where the Flymore combo is well worth its money. Where you charge your batteries in this, because it's a little power bank, and you can hold up to 3 batteries, so your batteries can charge while you're just on the go. Like if one of your batteries goes down, you can just plug in another battery, and then have this one charge, and that is well worth it. So here is the remote for the Mavic Mini. And standard DJI remote. Got your antennas right here. Just pull those out, and then just pull this out. And which is neat, which I like what they did with this drone, is that in here is where your thumbsticks are, and they just pop out, and then you just screw them on, and then it's easy and compatible to just, that's the one thing that I like about the Mavic Mini, is everything's like very portable. And then I'm gonna guess this is extra propeller. No, this is not extra propellers. This is the cables to connect to from the remote to your phone when you're flying in the app. Just a bunch of cables. You have USB-C, micro, and lightning. And those are the 4 cables you get with it. And let's see what else is in here. Charging cable that plugs straight into the back of the Mavic Mini with a micro USB, which they would have done USB-C. A lot easier, just carry one cable around. Come on, DJI. And then, same thing, an extra one, I guess, in case you lose one. Yeah, same thing. Yeah, both micro. Don't know why there's 2. Then extra thumbsticks and a screwdriver to take the blades off or put a cover on, like which I'm going to do on the motor. I'm going to put the motor covers on. And drop some comments down below if you want to see all the different accessories that we got for this. We got quite a bit. Just I think they're accessories that are very well worth it, and you should have it on your drone, including if you're a new drone pilot. And these are just all extra propellers in there. And that is it. But this is just such a small drone. I've only seen a handful of drones, but this is just crazy how tiny this thing is. And like it says on the box, under 249 grams, which is just outstanding. And it is really light. Like, this is, wow. But I hope you guys like this unboxing, and remember to subscribe to the channel to see more about the Mavic Mini. We do travel vlogs. We do all sorts of different types of videos, and sooner this summer, later in the summer, right before fall, we're gonna be going somewhere very special where this thing is gonna come in very, very handy. And so if you want to see what that is, subscribe and stay tuned for that. And hope you guys have a good day, and hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing of the Mavic Mini. Remember to like and subscribe. Thanks.